everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm PJ with PJ's On Road Adventures. So today I thought, with this nice weather here in Madison, Wisconsin today, being like almost 80 degrees, I thought I would give you a walk around of my truck. I drive currently a Ford F-150 2013. When I purchased it, it had 64,000 miles on it, and now it has 80,000, so I put a little wear and tear on the truck. So yeah, let me show you my part-time home when I'm traveling. So in here, in the back of my truck, all I got is like little miscellaneous stuff. So in here currently I got a rainproof jacket just in case when it rains. I got a pair of Colombian hiking boots, so whenever I go hiking on my travels. I got all my fishing gear in here in case you never know when you want to go fishing on your travels. I got a tackle box sling bag, and I got my fly rod and a fishing pole and a fishing net. And I got a tripod for filming, and I need to take it out. Is a sweatshirt. That's my favorite one. And I got some medicine kits in here, so just in case if I get hurt or I have somebody in here that got hurt or scratched and stuff, we can help them out. And I got a pair of gloves for snow camping and stuff. So that's it for the back of my truck. So let's take you around and show you what I got in my bed. So for storage, me and my mom went to Target and we purchased these bins. They work really well. We purchased 2 of them, and they just slide perfectly underneath the bed. So I'll show you what I got in here. So here this stuff is currently just So currently in this bin is just a miscellaneous bin. So all I have in here is tent poles for my truck bed tent. Just a regular ground tent, so when I have other people traveling with, and if we pull into a campsite, they are more than welcome to use my tent here. It's from 0 mile marker. It's a good size. Extra Velcro, if you never know when you need it. A fire pit, or you don't leave no trace behind. My fly fishing vest, an extra tripod for filming, and my hammock, and an axe, a hatchet actually. I'm going to show you. Just a regular grill where we can put over a fireplace and grill our hot dogs and hamburgers. So this bin is my cooking stove. So here I got is my Coleman camping stove. A little tiny skillet I'll be replacing here for my cast iron. Propane bottles, my coffee shop, and this is a really nice one that we just got. It's a coffee maker for this really nice convertible. It's all in my pants here. So I just close all this up, and all I do is put it back in and slide underneath just like this. Slide this one back. Push it all the way back. And this bit here is for my clothes. So when I go out for traveling to different states, and currently I have a jacket in here, and that's it. So all I do is push it back in, stick my Velcro here, and these are just waterproof, total waterproof shoes. After all the rains and stuff, these are really nice to have to walk around. All I do is just close that, and that's pretty much it of what I have in my F-150 here. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please consider on subscribing and hitting that like button. And also, if you could, please share this video to other people or consider building an F-150 camper conversion. And also, if you live in the Madison area, let's meet up. If you live in a van or travel in a truck or a van, part-time or full-time, it'll be interesting to see what other people did, and also just to meet up and have fun. And again, thank you for watching. Please consider on subscribing and hitting that like button. And travel safe, everybody. Keep on trucking.